When you look at the night sky, what do you see? Points of light? In fact, you are looking at an architecture of gravity that the human brain can barely comprehend. Today, we will not only visit planets, we will leave home. We will forget the ground beneath our feet to get to know our city, our neighbors, and the monsters that live in the dark. This is the Milky Way, our island in the cosmic ocean, a spiral of light with 100,000 light-years in diameter. It contains up to 400 billion stars. Imagine that every grain of sand on all the beaches of Earth was a star. Even then, it would not be enough to count the stars just in our galaxy. We live here, in the suburbs, in the Orion Arm, a quiet region. The sun orbits the heart of the galaxy at 800,000 kilometers per hour. Even at that insane speed, it takes 230 million years to complete a single orbit. The last time we were here, dinosaurs were just beginning to dominate the world. But if we travel to the center, tranquility ends. Here, the night would be as bright as the day. The radiation is intense and chaos reigns. In the exact center, the puppet master hides, Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole with the mass of 4 million suns. He is the anchor of our galaxy. The stars dance around him at relativistic speeds, caught in a deadly and eternal ballet. From the side view, our galaxy is thin, a cosmic pancake. But around it, in the galactic halo, are the ancients, globular clusters, balls of stars almost as old as the universe itself, watching over the galaxy like silent sentinels. But the Milky Way is not alone. We are part of the local group, a family of more than 50 galaxies bound together by gravity. Most are dwarfs, like the Magellanic Clouds, loyal satellites that will eventually be swallowed by our gravitational hunger. But there is a greater predator in the dark. Andromeda, Messier 31, our bigger sister. It is twice the size of the Milky Way. It houses 1 trillion stars, and it has a target on its back, us. Gravity is pulling us against each other. We are approaching 400,000 kilometers per hour. Every second, we are closer to impact. There is no way to escape. In 4 billion years, the sky of Earth will be a terrifying painting. Andromeda will fill the entire horizon. When they collide, the stars will not hit each other. Space is too vast. But the gas clouds will clash, creating stellar fireworks. In the end, the two spirals will die. A single giant elliptical galaxy will emerge, lactomed. Our sun will be exiled to the outskirts of this new metropolis. If we step out of our backyard, the universe reveals itself as an exotic zoo. Galaxies come in all shapes and sizes. We have the Triangle Galaxy, the third largest in our group, a perfect and silent spiral. CM104, the Sombrero Galaxy, a bright core surrounded by a thick dust ring resembling a hat floating in the vacuum. She is a hybrid, a mystery that defies our classification, hiding a black hole of 1 billion solar masses. Or the dazzling M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy. It is in an eternal embrace with a neighboring dwarf galaxy. We see the bridge of matter being sucked from the smaller to the larger, its cosmic vampirism on a monumental scale. The antennas. 2 galaxies that have already collided, their hearts fused and their tails thrown far away. They are the future of our own galaxy. And there are the inexplicable ones. The Hogue object. A perfect ring of blue stars with nothing in the middle. A geometric ghost. The Cartwheel Galaxy, cartwheel. A shockwave created by a cosmic shot formed this ring of fire. Violence generates beauty. But now, get ready. We're entering the realm of monsters. We've left the beauty of the spirals behind. This is Messier 87, the beast of the Virgo cluster. It has no arms, no dust. It is a ball of trillions of old stars. But she is not sleeping. From her center, a jet of plasma is spewed out for 5,000 light-years, destroying everything in its path. The source? The black hole of M87, the first one photographed by humanity. It has the mass of 6.5 billion suns. Centaurus A, a galaxy that recently swallowed an entire spiral and is still digesting its remains. And the radio galaxies, like Cygnus A. Invisible to the eye, but in radio, they shine brighter than anything, with gigantic radiation lobes. This leads us to quasars, cores of ancient galaxies that shine with the power of 1 trillion suns, devouring gas frantically. But the king of all is IC 1101, the largest known galaxy in the observable universe. Pay attention to the scale. If we placed it here, it would swallow the Milky Way, Andromeda, and all the space between us. It has 6 million light-years in diameter, an empire of 100 trillion stars, but it is a dead and lonely empire. How do we know all of this? We built time machines, the Hubble, and the James Webb. We are seeing light that traveled for 13 billion years, ghosts of a distant past. When we look into the depths of space, we see history. In a piece of sky the size of a grain of sand, we find thousands of galaxies. The James Webb took us even further to the childhood of the cosmos. We found GNZ11, a galaxy that existed only 400 million years after the Big Bang. She is small, chaotic, and bustling, the baby album of the universe when the light first turned on in the darkness. These first galaxies were the pioneers that cleared the cosmic fog. We are direct heirs of that first light. Let's move even further away. If we zoom out enough, galaxies cease to be islands. They come together in clusters, cities of thousands of galaxies trapped by gravity. This is the true face of the universe, the cosmic web, gigantic filaments of dark matter where galaxies are lined up. The universe is not random. It has a structure. It seems neural, a network of infinite connections. And among the filaments, the horror of emptiness, the voids, bubbles of absolute nothingness with millions of light years in diameter. In the void of Buddhas, if you were there, you would see no stars, only total darkness and eternal solitude. We discovered that we belong to a colossal structure called Laniakea, immeasurable sky, the great attractor, an anomaly that pulls everything in our direction. We don't know what it is, but we know we are falling toward this place. We are all flowing like a river, slipping gravitationally towards a mysterious point. And beyond, the cosmic background radiation, the firewall of the Big Bang, the limit of our knowledge. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years in diameter, and this may just be a fraction of the whole. 200 billion galaxies, each with billions of stars. Mathematics tells us that we cannot be alone. The silence we hear may just be our inability to listen to the cosmic symphony. We returned home, to this small, shining jewel. After witnessing the fury of the monsters, the Earth seems even more fragile and precious. We are the way the cosmos knows itself. The iron in your blood came from the death of giant stars. You are not in the universe, you are part of it. We are stardust that gained consciousness. Our journey has just begun. We are in the infancy of our species. One day, perhaps, we will sail among them. Until then, we keep looking up. We keep asking. Because curiosity is greater than the universe. Thank you for taking this epic journey with us. If you felt the vertigo of infinity, consider signing up for the next adventure. Comment, leave a like, keep your eyes on the stars. Thank you for watching. Until next time.